Welcome to Lesson 3. Get on social media. Now that you have your marketing plan, I want you to go set up your Facebook Professional and Instagram Creator accounts. Don't worry too much about these categories if you can't access them. Just get the account set up so you can start posting as soon as possible. Now, you're not using social media as a business, you're just using it to engage with followers and build relationships. When people comment on your posts, that's a lead. When you comment on other people's posts and they reply, that's a lead. So you have two ways to capture leads and drive traffic to your website. In the next lesson, you'll learn how to nurture your leads. But for now, let's get your social media accounts set up and running. Follow my checklists to make sure your accounts are set up correctly. Facebook. First of all, you want to set your account to public and make sure you have a good head and shoulders smiling photo. Here's my example here. Add your I help statement that you wrote in your marketing plan. You can see my example which reads, I help teachers create online income with digital marketing as my niche is teaching. I want you to pin a post to your timeline promoting your current offer and include a call to action with a link to your website or your freebie, we'll get to that in the next lesson, in your profile. I recommend also to write a short one-sentence description of what you do in your banner and make sure it conveys value. Mine is here. It says, release profits that lie hidden in your teacher powers. Because when you comment in a group, people who click on your name will then see your business offer right in your banner. Free marketing. So, Instagram. Add your profile picture of you smiling and looking face on to the camera. Now it can be the same photo as Facebook, as you can sync the two accounts, as Facebook owns Instagram. Now make sure your Instagram name reflects you. My example is Teacher Online Income Expert. Add keywords to your name like if you're a social media manager or a fitness instructor. My example is Digital Marketing Coach. Use your bio to tell viewers what they can expect from your posts. So for example, I help teachers create online income with digital marketing. Or you might want to say, I help entrepreneurs increase sales by building their community on Instagram. So make sure it's the same as your Facebook. Add a call to action above your link as people read from top to bottom. Mine says, click your freebie link below for info. Always post videos that are niche related and make sure all your reels include text so viewers know what your video is about. Now finally, I want to draw your attention to the three photos at the bottom here which have the pin symbol on them. You need to pin 3 posts which tell your viewers all about you. So number 1 is who you are. Number 2 is what you offer. And number 3 is some more information on your product. So I have, first of all here, my Who Am I video. Then I have a reel with my offer of the $25 business. Then I have a short video ad giving viewers more information on what HBA can do for them. The third one is YouTube. Now create your channel and then you need to write your description. You can check out my YouTube channel to read my description if you want a template. And be sure to include an income disclaimer and liability disclaimer in case people think they're going to become overnight millionaires with your affiliate. Post your videos daily, and if you have some that can be grouped together on the same topic, then consider putting them in a playlist where people can find them more easily. I have my A to Z guide to affiliate marketing for beginners videos in my playlist. Then, aim to do this every day. Find 5 new accounts to follow, use hashtags or the search bar or Google search to find other accounts or influencers in your niche. Engage with 5 existing accounts. Reply to comments, answer questions, and engage in conversations. Save any DMs in your messenger as they are your leads which you will nurture. Research content which you can repurpose with a few changes to put your voice on it or use it for inspiration. Don't reinvent the wheel. And follow and comment on 5 people's stories. They'll do the same for you in return, increasing your reach. Post a short up to 30 seconds video on your niche content every day. Keep it simple, just a talking head or showcasing something. Always put text on your video so viewers know what to expect. If you can post a text and image too, then that's great. But video is king. Viewers remember 95% of a message that's delivered in a video. So, you might need some inspiration in what to post. Here's some websites to look at captions for your post and also some ideas on how to make videos. These are free and there are paid options here too, so take a look at both. Now for transparency, I am an affiliate for the On Video, this one here. I love it. It's a monthly subscription which sends you weekly word-for-word scripts to use in any niche. Now there are of course all the websites in your niche, so take the time to look through these to get a grip on both evergreen and trending content. Search other people in your niche's posts and copy the format or style of their posts. Don't reinvent the wheel. If something works well for somebody else and gets a lot of engagement, then copy it. Just a change of tweak so that it's from your voice. Do your own research and find what works best for you and your niche. Now, a fantastic free resource to use is ChatGPT. You can use specific prompts to ask ChatGPT to write Facebook posts for you in your niche. Give as much detail as you can to the type of post you want it to write. Include keywords, your audience, what you want them to learn, or what problem you want it to solve. Try using something like this. I need your help in creating engaging Facebook posts for XX problem in my XX area, niche area. Please write a post that captures attention and encourages interaction from the audience. The post should be informative, entertaining, inspiring, you can choose one, and include, insert your specific topic here, to attract their target audience. Use a friendly tone and keep the post concise. Looking forward to seeing your creative content. Now ChatGPT will also write video scripts for you. You can use the same prompt and just replace Facebook posts with Instagram Reels. Play about with the wording of the prompts and find which one works best for you and your niche. Now, remember this. The presenting problem is never the real problem. It's just a misunderstanding of the experience your user is living in. The user thinks that their experience is coming from a set of circumstances out with their control. So, for example, you read a comment where a user says they feel frustrated as they don't know how to create a checklist in Canva. They tried, but gave up. Now you can fill that gap in their knowledge, as you are the trusted and reliable source. You're the expert in your niche. So, you write a series of posts explaining how to do fabulous things with Canva, including creating a checklist. Now here's the thing. By providing a solution to the user's problem, you have changed their feelings about working with Canva. You've taken them from discouraged and frustrated because they can't do what they want to do. And now that they've read your content, they feel encouraged, inspired, confident that they can achieve their goals. You see, all feelings come from thought, and users will act on their negative feelings, replaying their story of failure over and over again in their mind because they're stuck in the past. They don't realise that their behaviours are actually just a way to avoid feeling a certain way because they fear the future. They're scared of what they think is going to happen, all because they can't create a checklist in Canva. So for example, if I can't do this, then my business will suffer. I won't get that client and I'll lose money and I'll have a big electricity bill to pay next month. Then I won't be able to pay for my son's birthday as the money will need to go to pay the bill. Oh, my son is going to be so disappointed. I'm a terrible mum. I'm a failure. You see, You see how the negative stories grow in your user's mind. They're not real. They're just negative thoughts, stories that your user has made up because they think that's what's going to happen in the future. They're scared. So if you can provide the content which solves their problem, you can change their thoughts to focusing on the present and thus change their feelings. So the user now feels good having read your content. So they'll return for more as they like feeling this way. It's a very powerful technique.